Volocity Air Taxi. The Volocity Air Taxi is a flying vehicle made to skip city traffic. Designed by Volocopter, it's all-electric, super quiet, and produces zero emissions, perfect for short trips around town. It uses 18 small rotors for stable flight and is made from lightweight carbon fiber. It flies at about 100 km/h and can travel up to 65 km per charge. With room for a pilot and one passenger, it's ideal for quick city commutes. So far, it's completed over 1,500 test flights and has support from major aviation regulators. It could launch during the 2024 Paris Olympics, bringing flying taxis closer to reality.
The Aleph Model A is a clever electric flying vehicle designed to work smoothly on regular roads. It handles city traffic easily, driving up to 40 km/h and can go about 321 km on a single charge. But when traffic gets too crowded, it can take off and fly right over the jam. No runway or special landing pad needed. In the air, it can fly up to 177 km on a full charge. Production of the Aleph Model A is set to begin next year, and you can already pre-order one, if you're ready to spend $300,000. This vehicle is an exciting blend of driving and flying, offering a fresh way to move around cities and beat the traffic. It could change how we travel every day.
The GE9X is the world's largest and most powerful commercial jet engine, and it has just begun full production at GE Aerospace, a major milestone for the Boeing 777X program. This engine is specially built for the Boeing 777-9, the biggest twin-engine passenger plane ever made. It features a massive 134-inch fan and even holds a Guinness World Record for producing up to 134,000 pounds of thrust, making it incredibly powerful. Packed with cutting-edge technology like ceramic matrix composites, carbon fiber fan blades, and 3D printed parts, the GE9X is about 10% more fuel efficient than the previous GE90 engine. This means airlines can save fuel and reduce emissions while flying longer distances. Now that production is in full swing, these engines are being shipped to Boeing to be installed on the new 777X planes, which are expected to enter service in 2026. Big airlines like Qatar Airways have already placed large orders, signaling the arrival of a new era in air travel, one that's more powerful, efficient, and capable of flying farther than ever before. The Saab Gripen E is a next-generation fighter jet designed for modern air combat. It's fast, agile, and packed with advanced technology. Powered by the GE F414G engine, it reaches speeds of Mach 2 while remaining fuel efficient, making it both powerful and practical. What sets the Gripen E apart is its cutting-edge systems. It features an active, electronically scanned array, AESA radar, advanced electronic warfare capabilities, and an infrared search and track, IRST sensor. These technologies give pilots exceptional awareness of their surroundings, helping them detect and respond to threats faster than ever. The Gripen E is also built for teamwork. Its network-centric warfare capabilities allow it to share data seamlessly with allied forces, making coordinated missions more effective. With an impressive combat range of 1,500 kilometers, this Swedish fighter is ready for a variety of missions. It can carry a versatile mix of air-to-air, air-to-ground, and anti-ship missiles, ensuring it can take on any challenge. Whether in defense or attack, the Gripen E is a formidable force in the sky. The B-1B Lancer, known as the Bone, is a powerful supersonic bomber used by the U.S. Air Force. Since it first flew in 1986, this sleek aircraft, with its flexible wings and 4 afterburning engines, has been flying faster than Mach 1.2, making it one of the fastest heavy bombers around. It can carry up to 75,000 pounds of precision weapons, allowing it to strike targets anywhere in the world with speed and accuracy. The B-1B is also equipped with advanced radar and electronic systems that help it fly safely through bad weather and avoid enemy defenses. Even after decades in service, the Bone is still a vital part of U.S. air power. It has recently made headlines with live-fire exercises over the Korean Peninsula. Thanks to ongoing upgrades, the B-1B Lancer is expected to keep dominating the skies and stay a key weapon in America's military fleet well into the 2040s. The ARC C-600 is a groundbreaking cargo plane designed by ARC Aero Systems for vertical takeoff and landing. It can run fully on electricity or a combination of electricity and fuel. Currently, it's remotely piloted using BVLOS, Beyond Visual Line of Sight technology, with plans to become fully autonomous in the future. This versatile aircraft offers a range of up to 217 kilometers for the all-electric version and 644 kilometers for the hybrid model. It cruises at 74.5 miles per hour and can reach speeds of up to 93 miles per hour. With a maximum payload of 150 kilograms, it can also fly as high as 3,048 meters. The C-600 stands at 2.7 meters tall, with a wingspan of 8.16 meters, and is powered by 9 motors and propellers, giving it strong and reliable performance. Designed to handle heavy cargo, the C-600 is an advanced, eco-friendly solution for the future of cargo transportation, with the exciting potential for autonomous flight. Rega is Switzerland's air rescue service, founded on April 27, 1952, by Rudolf Bucher. He believed the country needed a dedicated air rescue team, especially for mountain emergencies. While Rega is best known for mountain rescues, their helicopters are ready to respond to all types of emergencies, including life-threatening situations in remote areas. They also help Swiss citizens who fall seriously ill or are injured abroad, especially when local care isn't available. During summer, they even assist alpine farmers by rescuing or retrieving livestock in hard-to-reach places. Each Riga helicopter carries a 3-person crew, a pilot, an emergency doctor, and a paramedic. The paramedic also supports the pilot with tasks like radio communication, navigation, and operating the winch. In more complex rescues, like evacuating people from cable cars or saving climbers stuck on steep cliffs, Riga adds a mountain rescue specialist trained by the Swiss Alpine Club. Riga combines speed, skill, and technology to save lives across Switzerland and beyond. The Terrafugia transition is the ultimate blend of car and plane, giving you the freedom to drive on the road and fly through the sky, all in one vehicle. With foldable wings, it transforms from a street-legal car into a light sport aircraft in minutes. In the air, it can cruise at 107 miles per hour with a flight range of 425 nautical miles. Perfect for short air trips. On the ground, it drives like a regular car, reaching up to 70 miles per hour in traffic. It runs on a Rotax 912 engine and is designed to fit into your garage just like any other car. Certified by the FAA in 2021, the transition is more than just a concept. It's a real step toward a future where flying cars are part of everyday life. Whether you're heading to the airport or taking off from it, this vehicle brings a new kind of freedom to the VRCO XP4 is a next-level flying and driving machine, often called the hyper-luxury supercar of the skies. Designed for 4 passengers, this futuristic eVTOL, electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, is all about speed, agility, and versatility. With 4 powerful turbofans that can tilt and rotate, the XP4 moves with incredible precision. But here's the game changer. It's not just for flying. This innovative vehicle can also drive on roads, making it the ultimate all-in-one travel solution. Safety is a top priority too. The XP4 is equipped with a ballistic parachute, ensuring a quick escape in emergencies. It's powered by an electric system, enhanced by hydrogen-based range extension technology, giving it longer flight times and extra efficiency. Luxury lovers will appreciate the super yacht-inspired interior, crafted by renowned Italian designer Marco Casali. His expertise in yacht design ensures that the XP4 isn't just high-tech, it's high-class. To top it all off, the XP4 is set to pair with the Silent 120 electric catamaran, thanks to a partnership with Silent Yachts. This means a seamless transition from air to sea. Airbus Airspace Cabin Vision 2035 Plus. Ever wondered what flying might look like in the future? Airbus has a bold and exciting vision called Airspace Cabin Vision 2035 Plus, and it could totally transform how we travel. It starts even before you board. Passengers will be able to pre-order meals or, on short flights, grab food in advance and bring it on board, reducing food waste and making things more efficient. Step inside the cabin, and you'll be greeted by digital ceilings and walls that offer stunning panoramic views. Even the windows will have built-in high-tech screens, blending comfort with futuristic design. But it's not just about the wow factor. Airbus wants to make flying more sustainable too. They're focusing on using recycled materials for the cabin and following a circular economy approach. Even water from the sinks will be reused to flush the toilets, helping save resources. In short, Airbus is reimagining air travel to be smarter, greener, and more enjoyable, for both passengers and the planet. The Alakai Technologies Sky is a cutting-edge flying vehicle powered by clean hydrogen fuel. Designed for modern cities, this air mobility vehicle takes off and lands vertically, so it doesn't need a runway. Its sleek, futuristic design isn't just for looks. It's built for smooth, zero-emission flights using electric rotors powered by hydrogen fuel cells. The Sky can carry up to 5 people and travel as far as 400 miles on a single tank, making it great for both city and regional travel. It's quiet, efficient, and doesn't pollute the air, offering a smarter, greener way to get around. By lifting off straight from streets, rooftops, or small pads, it also helps ease traffic and makes commuting faster. Whether it's cutting down on traffic jams, reducing pollution, or bringing a futuristic edge to transportation, the Sky is designed to change how we move, making travel cleaner, quicker, and more convenient. The Martin Jetpack is a revolutionary one-person flying machine that took over 30 years to develop. It runs on a petrol engine and uses twin-ducted fans to lift off the ground, reaching speeds of up to 40 kilometers per hour and flying as high as 2,500 feet. With a flight time of around 28 minutes and a range of 15 to 20 kilometers, it's built for short but powerful missions in the sky. This 200 kilograms jetpack was made for quick response situations like military tasks, emergency rescues, and first responders who need to move fast through tough environments. Its compact size and smooth control make it ideal for navigating tight spaces and urgent scenarios. Although the company that created it is no longer active, the Martin Jetpack still stands as an incredible leap in personal flight technology. It's proof that the dream of flying solo through the skies isn't just science fiction. It's real. And it's only the beginning. Electra EL9. The Electra EL9 is a new kind of plane that could make short-distance air travel quicker and greener. What's cool about it? It doesn't need a runway. This hybrid electric aircraft can take off and land in small areas like fields, parking lots, or even grass strips. It runs on a mix of battery power and a small turbine generator, which together power 8 electric motors along its wings. This setup lets it fly up to 330 nautical miles, while carrying 9 people, or about 3,000 pounds of cargo. Thanks to its advanced blown lift technology, the EL9 can lift off in very short distances. It's built for flexibility, perfect for reaching places that bigger planes can't. With over 2,100 orders already in and test flights starting in 2027, it's expected to enter service by 2029. Bombardier just made a big splash with the first flight of the Global 8000. Now the fastest and longest range business jet ever. It hit an incredible top speed of Mach 0.94 and even broke the sound barrier during testing at Mach 1.15, making it the fastest civilian jet since the Concorde. This jet is all about luxury and power. It can fly non-stop for 8,000 nautical miles, so long trips are no problem. Inside, the cabin is huge and split into 4 comfy zones, fitting up to 19 passengers easily. There's even a master suite with a full bed and a shower, perfect for relaxing on the go. With its sleek flex-wing design and strong GE Passport engines, the Global 8000 can land at thousands more airports than most jets. Expected to start flying in 2025, it's set to change the game for speed, comfort, and long-distance travel in business aviation.
Tactical jet suit drills offer a glimpse into the future of how soldiers train for battle. These exercises teach soldiers to use jet suits to move quickly and fight smarter. First, soldiers practice putting on and taking off the jet suits fast, so they're ready without wasting time or getting exposed. Then, they learn to fly smoothly, navigating tricky spaces, zooming up and down, and making sharp turns with control. The training also mixes flying with using weapons. Soldiers practice shooting accurately while airborne, staying steady even in tough moments. They focus on aiming, hitting targets, and staying calm during practice battles. Lastly, soldiers train as a team, working together to sneak past enemies, rescue teammates quickly, or break through strong defenses. These drills build the skills and confidence needed to use jet suits safely and effectively in real missions.
The Mi-32 is a new heavy-lift helicopter concept from Russian helicopters, part of Russia's defense industry. It hasn't been built yet, but it's been mentioned in several reports about future helicopter designs. This helicopter is expected to carry extremely heavy loads, just like the Mi-26, which is one of the world's largest and most powerful helicopters. The Mi-26 can lift up to 20 tons, making it a true giant in the skies. The Mi-32 aims to take that legacy even further. It could offer more lifting power, better fuel efficiency, and modern technology for smoother and smarter operation. Imagine it as an upgraded, more advanced version of the Mi-26. If developed, the Mi-32 might use lightweight materials, advanced avionics, and efficient engines to boost performance. It could carry heavier loads while using less fuel and flying more reliably. In short, the Mi-32 could become the next big step in heavy-lift helicopters, built for the future, but inspired by the success of the Mi-26. Lilium Jet. Lilium is changing the future of air travel with its electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft, the Lilium Jet. This innovative jet offers a clean, eco-friendly alternative to traditional airplanes, making urban transportation more sustainable. The Lilium Jet is designed to be efficient and sleek, and it doesn't need huge terminals. It can land at existing heliports, meaning it can easily fit into today's cities without major infrastructure changes. Lilium is pushing forward with its development, securing $114 million in funding to bring this technology to life. While the exact cost of the Lilium Jet is still undisclosed, this investment shows how serious the company is about making it a reality. The Lilium Jet isn't just about faster air travel, It's also about reducing carbon emissions and making air transport more sustainable. This aircraft is a glimpse into the future, where urban flying could be faster, cleaner, and more efficient, changing the way we travel within cities. The Northrop B-2 Spirit is one of the most advanced bombers ever built, designed to strike deep into enemy territory without being detected. Its sleek, flying wing design and cutting-edge stealth technology allow it to slip past radar defenses, making it nearly invisible in the sky. Powered by 4 General Electric F118 GE100 turbofan engines, the B-2 reaches speeds of 630 miles per hour and can fly over 6,000 nautical miles without refueling. This incredible range gives it the ability to launch missions from great distances, hitting targets with pinpoint accuracy. With a massive payload capacity of up to 40,000 pounds, the B-2 can carry a wide range of weapons, including precision-guided bombs and nuclear warheads. Its advanced avionics, radar-absorbing materials, and composite construction make it one of the most formidable aircraft in modern warfare. Designed for both strategic and tactical operations, the B-2 Spirit is a symbol of unmatched air power. Combining stealth, speed, and firepower, it continues to set the standard for long-range bombing missions, ensuring air superiority wherever it flies. The Pangios Terra yacht is set to become the world's largest floating city, designed by Pier Paolo Lazzarini and the Lazzarini Design Studio. Shaped like a giant turtle, this massive vessel will span 550 meters in length and 610 meters in width, twice the size of the Roman Colosseum. Built to host up to 60,000 people, Pangios will feature luxurious palaces, mansions, and super villas, creating a one-of-a-kind floating paradise. But this isn't just about luxury. It's also about sustainability. Pangios will be completely eco-friendly, powered by 960,800 horsepower high-temperature superconductor engines, solar panels, and wave-breaking wings. This cutting-edge technology will allow it to cruise endlessly without producing pollution. The construction will take place in a custom-built shipyard with an estimated timeline of 8 years and a staggering cost of $6.8 billion. Once completed, it will cruise at 5 knots, offering a futuristic and sustainable way to explore the seas. The Volonaut air bike is a real flying bike that looks like it came straight out of Star Wars. Designed by Tomas Patton, the creator of the Jetson One, this futuristic machine uses powerful jet engines to fly at speeds up to 200 kilometers per hour, and it doesn't need any propellers. Made from ultralight carbon fiber with the help of 3D printing, it's 7 times lighter than a normal motorcycle. Its sleek, modern design and unique riding position give pilots an incredible 360-degree view while flying or hovering above the ground. What's even cooler? It's easy to fly. A smart stabilization system, controlled by an onboard flight computer, helps keep the airbike steady, even for new pilots. The Volanaut air bike isn't just a cool idea on paper. It's a real step toward the future of personal flying. For thrill seekers and tech fans, it promises an unforgettable way to experience the skies. Dornier Seastar. The Dornier Seastar isn't your average aircraft. It's a bold escape machine built for land, sea, and sky. This amphibious plane is designed for those who crave adventure and need a reliable tool for getting to remote places. With two powerful Pratt & Whitney PT6A 135A turboprop engines mounted in a push-pull setup on top of the fuselage, the Seastar flies with strength and confidence. It reaches speeds of over 300 kilometers per hour, around 160 knots, and can travel more than 900 nautical miles without refueling. But what really makes the Seastar special is its all-composite airframe. It's lightweight, tough, and completely resistant to corrosion, perfect for harsh coastal environments and marine conditions. Whether you're flying between tropical islands, conducting ocean patrols, or delivering supplies to hard-to-reach areas, the Seastar is built to handle it. It can take off and land on both runways and open water, giving you the freedom to turn lakes, rivers, and oceans into your personal landing strips. The Dornier Seastar isn't just an aircraft, it's a gateway to places that are off the beaten path. For explorers, pilots, and professionals who need versatility and reliability in one sleek package, the Seastar opens up a whole new world of possibilities. The Volanaut air bike is a game-changer in personal travel, letting you fly above traffic and explore the skies with ease. Made with a lightweight carbon frame and powered by strong electric rotors, it reaches speeds up to 75 miles per hour, 120 kilometers per hour, offering an exciting yet safe ride. With a weight capacity of 220 pounds, 100 kilos, it's perfect for solo adventures around the city or quick trips between nearby towns. Thanks to its vertical takeoff and landing VTOL technology, you can lift off from small spaces. No runway required. Designed with beginners in mind, the airbike features AI-assisted controls and a self-balancing system to ensure a smooth, stable flight every time. Its futuristic look and user-friendly controls make it fun and easy to fly. Not only is it packed with cutting-edge tech, but it's also environmentally friendly, running entirely on electric power. The Volanaut air bike isn't just a flying machine, it's a bold step toward the future of transportation, giving you the freedom to skip traffic and experience the world from above. The Doron H-1 is a personal electric aircraft designed to take off and land vertically, making flying easy and convenient. It's built for 2 passengers and combines a sleek, futuristic look with smart engineering. The bubble-shaped cockpit sits between large wings at the front and back. Each wing holds 2 big vertical lift propellers that spin in opposite directions, all housed inside 8 large ducts for powerful lift. On top of that, there are 2 extra propellers that push the aircraft forward, helping it move smoothly through the air. This electric aircraft can reach a top speed of 140 miles per hour and cruise comfortably at around 100 miles per hour. With a flight range of about 60 miles on a single charge, it's perfect for short trips. The Doron 8H1 can also carry up to 500 pounds of cargo while weighing just 930 pounds itself. Compact, efficient, and stylish, the Doron 8H1 offers a new way to fly short distances fast and effortlessly, a real glimpse into the future of personal air travel. Supernal, part of Hyundai Motor Group, is developing the SA2, an electric vehicle designed to take off and land vertically, eVTOL. This exciting vehicle is set to start commercial passenger service in 2028. The SA2 uses 8 rotors that swivel, combining vertical and horizontal thrust. This design lets it reach speeds over 120 miles per hour and fly at altitudes up to 1,500 feet, making it ideal for quick trips of 25 to 40 miles in busy cities. Safety is a top priority for the SA2, which meets all international safety standards. The cabin is flexible and can be reconfigured for cargo or to carry 2 to 4 passengers. With its sleek design by experts from the high-end automotive world, the SA2 is a major breakthrough in air travel. It's a sustainable, efficient, and safe way to get around, bringing us closer to the future of personal urban transport. The Boom Overture is a next-generation supersonic passenger jet designed to fly at incredible speeds while offering long-range travel. Set to launch in 2029, this aircraft could cover up to 4,890 miles, 7,870 kilometers, and aims to revolutionize air travel for business-class passengers. Boom Technology believes there's a strong demand, with over 500 possible routes and a market for around 1,000 supersonic jets. By the end of 2017, the company had already received 76 pre-orders. The Overture will have a sleek delta wing design, inspired by the iconic Concorde, but made from modern composite materials. After a major redesign in 2022, it will now be powered by 4 quiet, fuel-efficient turbofan engines without using noisy afterburners, helping it meet strict takeoff noise rules. Fast, efficient, and built for the future, the Boom Overture is bringing back supersonic travel in a smarter, more sustainable way.
Vertical Aerospace VX4. Electric flying is becoming a reality faster than ever. The Vertical Aerospace VX4 is gearing up for certification, expected by the end of 2026. With 1,400 pre-orders already secured, the team behind it is really confident about what's coming. This electric aircraft is a great mix of speed, distance, and comfort. It can reach speeds up to 241 kilometers per hour and fly as far as 161 kilometers on a single charge. Inside, the cabin is quiet and spacious enough for 4 passengers. It's the perfect spot to chat, enjoy the views, or just relax while flying. With the VX4, electric air travel is not just a dream anymore. It's becoming something we can all look forward to.
Fulcrum Power Pod. The Fulcrum Power Pod is a lightweight motorized pod created by Ram engines to make takeoff easier for free flyers. No hill, runway, or tow rope needed. You simply launch, climb, then switch off the motor and glide through the sky. Unlike bulky paramotors, the PowerPod uses a compact ducted fan that's only 0.5 meters wide compared to the usual 1.1 to 1.4 meters. It's sleek, aerodynamic, and fits snugly behind your back, making it comfortable on the ground and in the air. This system is built for free flyers, not regular paramotor users. It lets you launch in any wind direction and skip the usual hassles of finding the right slope or setup. Don't be fooled by its size. The PowerPod generates 50 kilams and 50 kilograms of thrust, giving an 82-kilogram pilot a smooth takeoff and a steady climb rate of up to 1.8 meters per second using a SkyX paraglider. Once airborne, just shut it off and enjoy the quiet freedom of cross-country flying. It's a simple, smart way to get in the air and soar like a bird. Aero HT X3 is turning the dream of flying cars into reality with its impressive dual-mode design, allowing it to switch smoothly between driving and flying. Developed by XPeng's Aero HT division, this electric vehicle features foldable rotor arms that extend in seconds, transforming it from a stylish road car into a compact flying machine. On the ground, it can reach speeds of over 80 miles per hour, while in the air, it offers a flight time of around 35 minutes, giving you the flexibility to drive or fly depending on your journey. Packed with advanced safety systems, automatic stabilization, and terrain detection sensors, the X3 keeps you secure whether you're navigating city streets or soaring above traffic. Inside, the futuristic cockpit is designed for ease and comfort, featuring touchscreen controls, voice command capabilities, and panoramic windows for incredible views. The Aero HT X3 blends innovation, convenience, and style, offering a glimpse into the future of personal transportation. The DJI Agris T50 is an innovative agricultural drone that's changing the way farming is done with its cutting-edge technology and strong build. It has a powerful twin-rotor system and a durable structure, which keeps it stable even when carrying heavy loads, up to 40 kilograms for spraying and 50 kilograms for spreading. With its dual atomizing spraying system, radar, and binocular vision, the T50 ensures precise, even coverage on all types of terrain. It also offers smart features like advanced mapping and automatic flight route planning, making farming tasks easier and more efficient. This drone is a true game changer for modern farming, allowing farmers to increase productivity and get better results with every flight. SkyDrive's Future Flight SD05 is a next-gen electric air taxi that could change how we get around in cities, starting in Japan. This sleek three-seat aircraft will make its official debut at Expo 2025 in Osaka. Powered by 12 electric rotors, it can take off and land straight up and down, just like a drone, and fly short city trips up to 15 kilometers. Made from lightweight carbon fiber and designed with wide panoramic windows, the SD05 promises a quiet, smooth, and eco-friendly ride above city traffic. It even completed its first public flight in April 2025, reaching over 5 meters high. Supported by Japan's Civil Aviation Bureau and with Suzuki on board to begin production in 2026, this is more than just a concept. It's becoming real. SkyDrive hopes to use the SD-05 not only as an air taxi, but also for emergency medical transport and travel between small islands. With its smart design and zero-emission power, the SD-05 offers a glimpse into the future of flying in cities. Cleaner, faster, and way more exciting than sitting in traffic. Lift Aircraft's Hexa is all about making personal flight easy, fun, and safe, even if you've never flown before. You don't need a pilot's license to try it out. This ultra-light, all-electric aircraft uses 18 rotors to keep things incredibly stable, so almost anyone can enjoy the thrill of flying. For around $250, you can take a flight after a short introduction, and you're up in the air. It's perfect for first-timers or adventure seekers looking for something new and exciting. And if you fall in love with it, there's even a buyback option after 5 years of ownership. Hexa isn't just for private buyers. Lyft plans to open flight centers across the U.S. where you can rent one for a quick spin through the skies. It's designed to be fun, accessible, and futuristic. With Hexa, personal aviation isn't just for pilots anymore. It's for everyone ready to lift off. Mitsubishi Fuso, a rescue truck with a flying helper. The Mitsubishi Fuso IRQ is more than just a rescue vehicle. It comes with a smart drone designed to help save lives in tough situations. This drone can fly into hard-to-reach or dangerous areas, quickly scanning the ground to locate people who need help. It's built with large rotors for vertical lift and ducted fans for smooth horizontal flight, making it fast and flexible in the air. What's even more impressive is that it can carry up to 10 liters of supplies, like food, water, or medical kits, directly to victims. But it doesn't stop there. The drone also features a built-in AI assistant with a friendly human-like face that speaks to people, offering comfort and letting them know help is on the way. With this rescue truck and its helpful drone working together, emergency teams can respond faster and bring support where it's needed most. It's a smart, caring solution that brings technology and humanity together in times of crisis. The Boeing Pelican was a wild and futuristic idea from the early 2000s. An enormous cargo aircraft designed to carry massive loads that regular planes just can't handle. It was never built, but it gave us a glimpse into what next-level air transport could be. Imagine a flying giant built to haul tanks, military vehicles, and huge pieces of infrastructure. The Pelican would have been even larger than today's biggest cargo planes, made specifically for heavy-duty missions. What really made it stand out? It could take off and land on water, just like a seaplane. That means it didn't need big airports. It could land near coastlines or in remote areas with little to no infrastructure. This would have made it perfect for military use or emergency relief missions in hard-to-reach places. Although the Boeing Pelican never became a real aircraft, the idea pushed boundaries. It showed how we might one day move gigantic cargo across the globe, quickly, flexibly, and without relying on traditional airports. It was a bold vision of the future of air freight. The Ace VTOL Slipstream Elite is a high-tech electric aircraft designed to take off and land vertically, making it perfect for reaching modern airfields. It features 4 corner-mounted arc reaction engines, allowing it to fly in any direction, even upside down or backwards. Its sleek design makes it easy to land in tight spaces, like parking lots. This aircraft can be remotely piloted using an AI flight management system that's powered by a satellite in low Earth orbit. The pilot controls the aircraft through a virtual reality interface, giving it a futuristic touch. For landing, the Slipstream Elite uses retractable quadricycle struts instead of traditional wings, along with a dual redundant SAS system to ensure safety. It has a range of 200 to 400 kilometers and can reach speeds of up to 0.3 Mach. Powered by 12 electric motors and next-gen plasma technology, this aircraft provides an advanced, efficient flying experience. Synhelion turning sunlight into clean fuel. Synhelion is revolutionizing clean energy with solar fuel technology, producing carbon-neutral synthetic fuels like solar kerosene and diesel. Using concentrated solar heat, Synhelion captures CO2 from the air, mixes it with water, and transforms it into sustainable fuel that works with existing engines and infrastructure. This makes it an ideal solution for aviation, shipping, and heavy transport. With major industry partners like Lufthansa and plans for large-scale production, Synhelion is leading the way toward a cleaner, greener future, powered by the sun.
Tilt-rotor eVTOL, the future of urban air travel. The tilt-rotor eVTOL is an advanced aircraft that combines the flexibility of a helicopter with the speed of an airplane. It can take off and land vertically, making it perfect for crowded cities and tight spaces. Its tilting rotors allow it to switch from vertical to horizontal flight, providing faster speeds, longer range, and higher payload capacity than traditional helicopters. This makes it ideal for passenger transport, cargo delivery, and urban air mobility. With its innovative design and efficiency, the tilt-rotor eVTOL could soon revolutionize city travel, reducing congestion and making air transport more accessible and eco-friendly.
The Aston Martin Volante Vision is a flying car that feels like it belongs in a sci-fi movie. Designed for fast, smooth travel between cities, this high-tech beauty combines style, speed, and innovation. It runs on a hybrid electric system and can carry up to 3 passengers, offering a luxurious and eco-friendly way to skip traffic and get where you're going, through the air. What makes it even cooler? It takes off and lands vertically like a helicopter, and it's built for autonomous flight, meaning you won't even need a pilot. Aston Martin teamed up with Rolls-Royce and top researchers to bring this futuristic concept to life. Although it's still in development, the Volante Vision is already turning heads. When it finally launches, It's expected to cost over $3 million, putting it in the same league as supercars and private jets. This isn't just a new way to travel. It's a bold vision of the future of personal air mobility. Cirrus Aircraft has become a big name in modern aviation, and it all started with two brothers from Wisconsin, Dale and Alan Klappmeyer. They began by building kit planes, but soon realized pilots wanted more. In 1995, they announced plans to create a certified next-generation airplane that was safe, high-tech, and easy to fly. Their aircraft featured a lightweight composite frame and sleek aerodynamic design focused on both performance and safety. One of the most eye-catching features was the unique doors that open upward and forward, making it easier to get into a roomy, comfortable cabin. Cirrus didn't stop at good looks. They added the latest avionics and smart engine systems to reduce the pilot's workload and make flying safer. Their goal was to offer more technology, more comfort, and more value than anything else on the market. Today, Cirrus is known for changing how people think about personal aviation. They've made flying more accessible, more enjoyable, and a lot more advanced. City Airbus NextGen. Clean, safe, and ready to fly in your city. City Airbus NextGen is an all-electric flying taxi that can carry 4 people. It's designed to take off and land straight up, then fly smoothly through the air using a clever lift and cruise system. It can fly about 80 kilometers at speeds up to 120 kilometers per hour, all without any pollution. This makes it ideal for quick, eco-friendly trips across cities and nearby neighborhoods. The lift and cruise means it can easily take off vertically, then switch to fast, efficient forward flight for a comfortable ride. The idea behind City Airbus NextGen started with a simple goal: to make city travel faster and greener by flying above the traffic. Airbus used its years of experience to build 2 earlier electric flying prototypes called City Airbus and Vahana. These early models helped Airbus understand what works best and how to improve. By mixing what they learned with new quiet technology, Airbus created the next-gen model, bringing us closer to a future where flying taxis are part of everyday city life. VoloRegion is an exciting initiative designed to change the way we travel in cities. By using advanced technology, it aims to reduce traffic congestion and minimize environmental impact. VoloRegion is developing electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft, which will provide a quick, eco-friendly alternative to traditional ground transportation. These aircraft will help people travel across cities faster and more sustainably. Focused on safety, reliability, and comfort, VoloRegion is set to revolutionize urban travel, making it more efficient and enjoyable. This innovation will improve connectivity and make life in cities better for everyone. The Autoflight Prosperity Air Taxi is changing the way we think about getting around in big cities. It's a sleek, all-electric flying vehicle that can carry up to 5 people and takes off straight up into the air, just like a helicopter, Instead of sitting in traffic, you could be flying above it. In fact, the Prosperity recently made a 50-kilometer flight from Shenzhen to Zhuhai in only 20 minutes. That same trip by car would take around 3 hours. It's made from lightweight carbon materials and powered by electric motors. With 10 rotors to lift off and 3 propellers to fly forward, it's both powerful and smooth in the air. The aircraft can fly as far as 250 kilometers and cruise at speeds of 200 kilometers per hour. Over 1,100 people have already pre-ordered it, and it's on track to be ready for commercial use by 2027. The Prosperity Air Taxi isn't just futuristic, it's practical. It could make daily commutes faster, reduce traffic, and help cut down on pollution. This is a big step toward making air travel part of everyday city life. Big auto player Stellantis teams up with Archer Aviation to boost flying taxis. Archer Aviation's Midnight eVTOL aircraft is already leading the charge to be one of the first electric flying taxis to take off. Now, with automotive giant Stellantis joining forces with them, the future of flying cars might arrive even sooner. The skies ahead look packed, with many companies working on different electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft. These sleek, eco-friendly flying taxis promise fast, zero-emission trips from city centers to wherever you want to go. It's an exciting idea, but it might still be a few years before we actually see them in the air. That timeline just got a big push. Stellantis, the massive car company behind brands like Alfa Romeo, Peugeot, Maserati, and Jeep, is stepping into the flying taxi world. Partnering with Archer Aviation, a California startup, means more resources and know-how to speed up the development of these electric aircraft. Thanks to this partnership, the day when flying taxis become part of everyday city life could be closer than we think. The Nanotrike T1 is a super lightweight flying machine built for solo thrill seekers. Weighing only 29 kilograms, it's one of the lightest personal aircraft out there, compact enough to store easily and quick to set up, taking just 30 minutes to get flight ready. This tiny trike packs a big punch when it comes to fun and freedom. You can choose from 3 engine options and pair them with different wings to match your flying style. Whether you're after smooth gliding or a bit of speed, the Nanotrike delivers a customizable adventure. Even better, in some places you don't need a pilot's license to fly it, making it super accessible for first-timers and hobbyists alike. If you've ever dreamed of taking off into the sky on your own terms, the Nanotrike makes that dream simple, exciting, and totally doable. Orb Nomad, the future of personal flight. Orb Aerospace is bringing a bold new vision to aviation with the Orb Nomad, a personal electric vertical takeoff and landing (EVAL) aircraft. Designed for affordability, reliability, and ease of use, this innovative aircraft is ideal for humanitarian missions, disaster relief, and travel in remote or underserved areas. Built with safety in mind, the Nomad features dual avionics controllers and 2 independent energy units, ensuring that even if one system fails, the aircraft remains fully operational. These backup systems provide extra security, making flying safer and more dependable. With its intuitive controls and cutting-edge design, the Orb Nomad is set to redefine personal air travel. Its first test flight is planned for 2025, marking a major leap forward in accessible aerial mobility. The Boeing B-377 Pregnant Guppy was one of the weirdest looking but most important planes ever built. Created in the 1960s by Aerospace Lines, it had a giant, rounded body made to carry huge parts for NASA's Apollo moon missions. Its unusual shape and detachable tail allowed it to haul massive rocket pieces that no other plane could carry at the time. Before the Guppy, these big parts had to be shipped by slow boats, but this plane changed the game by speeding up delivery. It became a vital part of America's race to the moon, helping get giant rocket pieces where they needed to go fast. The Pregnant Guppy didn't just support space travel, it also inspired future heavy lift planes like the Super Guppy and the Airbus Beluga. Thanks to it, moving giant cargo by air became easier and faster, shaping how we transport oversized loads even today.